What's up, everyone? If you're looking for an easy and convenient way to purify your drinking water, you've got to check out this Countertop reverse osmosis system here. This thing does a great job at purifying the water. I wanted to show you. So to put the water in, you're just going to put it in this back part right here. It holds quite a bit of water. I also have this meter. This meter does a great job at telling you the total dissolved solids in the water. Just wanted to show you here. So we're going to dip it in our water before it's purified. So it's 648 ppm, and that's before the purification. So now I wanted to show you after it purifies the drinking water. I'm just going to set this cup here. You're going to press this button right at the top here. It's on a child lock mode, so you can take that off, set room temperature water, and I'm just going to press that button, and it's going to feed it right into the cup for us. All right, I'm going to hit the button again to stop it. Have our drinking water here. I'm going to take this thing and clear it, put it in the drinking water. You're going to see it takes it all the way down to 56. So on the back of here, it shows how purified our drinking water is. So 56 does a great job, especially compared to over 600 beforehand. We got it down to over 90% there. So this does a great job at purifying that water. It does have multiple different settings for temperature. So you can do baby formula, ones for coffee and tea. You can do boiling water as well. And then it does have the room temperature water. I really like how the light turns red on there with the hot water coming out. It does a really great job with the different temperatures of water. This is boiling water. You can see it comes out piping hot. The LED screen is really nice. It shows you the temperature of the water, and it does show you your filter status on there. So let me show you these filters. There's two filters in here. They're really easy to take out. So you simply just turn this just like this. You're going to lift it up, and it comes right out. Really easy to replace. Put it back in, twist it in, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a great way to purify your drinking water, this reverse osmosis countertop system is a great choice. I do highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.